you're often staring at screens or books, it's common to get tired and strained eyes. My name is Natalia, I'm a senior instructor of White Eye Qigong, and in today's video I will teach you an ancient Qigong practice that can help you to rejuvenate your eyes and restore your energy. Ready? Let's begin. And we begin with gently warming up the body, shaking out any tension. Make sure you shake out your palms, your wrists, your feet, your legs. Just letting go of any tension from the body. Feeling how the body begins to warm up. Here you can have little jumps. And shaking is becoming faster and smaller. Stop and hold the ball. Inhale, gently expand the ball, and on the exhale, condense it. Inhale, expand. Exhale, condense. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands by the sides and we begin the head rolls. Exhale as you roll your head forward and inhale as you roll it back. And reverse. Inhale back and exhale, rolling your head forward. Back to center. Connect your palms, ankle and wrist flossing. Make sure your palms are fully touching. Opposite direction. And interlace your fingers the other way. Start rolling the other leg. And opposite direction. Warm up your palms. And bring your palms over your kidneys. We begin to slowly spiral out. Keeping your feet fully rooting into the earth and head centered. Making the circles bigger. And begin to spiral into the same direction, just making the circles smaller. Switch into the opposite direction, spiraling out. Reaching your maximum. And spiral in. And we're going to finish with opening heart to the sky. Inhale, opening your palms, opening your heart. Exhale, crossing your palms and drop. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open, head to the back. Exhale, cross your arms and drop. Inhale, exhale. And bring your palms in front of your eyes. Focusing the energy at the center of your palms. Deep breath in and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bringing the chi down through the central line of the body. Hands by the sides. And focusing, observing any feelings, any sensations. Hands over the dantian. And gently open your eyes. And now we're going to go into monkey strolls Qigong form from 5 animal Qigong. Feet are together, sink into your knees. And we're going to do half circle with the left leg and drag the right one on the side of the big toe. Half circle and step a little forward with the right leg and drag your left one on the side of the big toe. Circling out and step in front, dragging the left foot. Out with the left, dragging the right so the feet are in one alignment. Now let's go through the arms. All fingers touching the thumb, index fingers are touching. We're going to move the hands right on the top, left at the bottom, the wrists are bent. Looking up, down, blink. Up, shoulder, blink. Looking in front, chest, blink. We're going to change the arms, left one on the top, and we're going to move the head to the right, look far, close and blink. To the left, look up, look on your shoulder, blink. In front, chest, blink. Change. And looking as far as you can at your shoulder and blink. Opposite direction, far, shoulder, blink. In front, chest, blink. And change. Making sure your fingers are fully touching the thumb. Wrists are bent. And arms are soft. Now let's combine these two together. So arms in front, index fingers touching. Step as you move your hands, look far, shoulder blink. To the right, far, shoulder blink. And front, chest blink. Stepping with the right leg, changing the arms, far, shoulder blink. And center. Coordinating the circle of the arms with the circle of the legs. And always at all times, first we're looking far, then we're looking at our shoulder, and then we blink while bringing the head down. The top hand is showing you where you need to look first and start your round. Making sure you're dragging your foot on the side of the big toe. This is to activate our liver meridian. Let's close. Inhale up, exhale down. Hands by the sides, and just observing any feelings, any sensations in the body. And gently open your eyes. We're going to do one more round. So inhale, open, exhale, hands down through the central line of the body. Make your hands, index fingers touching. Inhale, and then try to give one exhale as you look and blink. Inhale, exhale. Keep this exhalation all the way as you blink. Inhale and exhale. If you need to take a small inhales in between, you can do that as well. In monkey, we are focusing on playfulness of the monkey. It's working with our eyes, but it's also working with our liver to transform anger and frustration. And we can transform this anger and frustration by activating that playfulness of the monkey. So add the spirit aspect and your form will become much deeper. Inhale up. And on the exhale, flushing out any anger and frustration from your liver. Inhale, bringing in forgiveness, filling your liver with forgiveness. And one more breath, bringing in forest green color energy into your liver. Hands by the sides, breathing deeply, letting go of any anger and frustration from your liver, And as you inhale, completely filling it with forgiveness, with forest green color energy. Notice your eyes, how your eyes are lubricated, relaxed. Your eyes are connected to your liver. So here you can also open your eyes to absorb greenery, green energy through your eyes into your liver. And then bring your hands over the dantian and gather all this energy into a small green pearl. On the inhale, it expands, absorbing all the chi that you've built. And on the exhale, we're packing and storing this energy into a small green pearl. Do a few breaths, storing all the chi that you've built into a small green pearl. And then gently open your eyes. So that was the monkey Qigong from the 2000 years old ancient 5-animal Qigong practice. If you liked today's practice, like this video, subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comments below this video how this form resonated with you. And I will see you during our next video. Thank you and have a beautiful day.